Okay, as you can see on this model, you have the tornado here. You have some items in here. There's a car driving around. You have two trees, a camper trailer, a house, a cow, and a sign. So we're going to be watching all of these items as we adjust our tornado to see when it's most damaging, least damaging, anything that we want to try and find out. For this model though, we're going to be trying to find out when the tornado is least damaging. So if you look up here, you have your funnel width, you have a minus sign on the left-hand side and a plus sign on the right-hand side. That is going to help you either increase your funnel width or decrease your funnel width. And as you do that, you can see the tornado will either get much wider or not as wide. You also have the pressure over here. And again, you have the minus sign on the left-hand side and the plus sign on the right-hand side. And if you hit the plus sign, it's going to increase the speed of the tornado. And if you hit the minus sign, it will do the opposite. So in order to find out when the tornado is least damaging, what might we do? Well, we might not want the tornado to be as big and as strong. So maybe if we adjust the funnel width by using the minus sign, we can see that it gets smaller. And if a tornado is smaller, it's not going to be as destructive. We can also adjust the speed, because the faster a tornado is going, the more likely it's going to be to destroy things. So if we decrease the speed and make it slower, it's not going to have as much power as it would if it was going faster. Now that we have adjusted the funnel width to as low as it will go and the pressure to as low as it will go, we can now hit the go button to see what will happen. So I'm going to do that right now, and we're going to see if it's as least destructive. Once a tornado is done, as you'll see, it'll ask you to pick the EF scale value that would be for this type of damage. Well, if we're trying to find out when it's least destructive, we would probably want to go to the lowest one to see if we were correct. And as you can see, we were correct. So once you're done with that, you can then hit the reset button and it will set everything back to its original setting. And you can continue to test when it is the most damaging or any other questions that you may have with the tornado. Thank you.